In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Word files to OneDrive. Saving directly to OneDrive is a great way to keep your documents backed up, synced, and available across your devices. Here's how to do it right from the Word app without any hassle. Start in your Word document. When you're ready to save, move your mouse to the upper left corner of the screen and click the File tab. This takes you to the Backstage view where all your file options live. From here, select Save As. Save As lets you choose exactly where the file goes and what it's called, which is perfect for placing it in the cloud. On the Save As screen, look for the OneDrive Personal option and click it. This tells Word that you want the file stored in your personal OneDrive cloud storage instead of only on your computer. If you don't see OneDrive Personal listed, it usually means Word isn't connected to your cloud account yet. Once it's connected, you'll see it here. After you choose OneDrive Personal, you'll be prompted to pick where inside OneDrive you want to put the file. You can choose the default documents folder in OneDrive or select OneDrive Personal and navigate to any folder you prefer. If you already have a folder structure, select the appropriate folder to keep things organized. If not, Documents is a solid, easy place to start. A pop-up save window will appear. This is where you confirm the location and name your file. Double check that the save path shows OneDrive and the folder you intended. Type a clear file name, that will make sense later, and make sure the Save As type is set to Word document if you want the standard .docx format. When everything looks right, click Save. That's it. Your document is now saved to OneDrive. You can open it on another device, share it with others, and keep your work protected even if something happens to your computer. You might also notice a small cloud icon or a status indicator in Word showing that your file is connected to the cloud. If your internet connection is momentarily unavailable, Word will save locally and sync to OneDrive once you're back online. To recap, open File, choose Save As, select OneDrive Personal, pick your OneDrive location such as the Documents folder, and click Save in the pop-up window. Follow these steps and you'll keep your Word files safe, organized, and available wherever you need them.